brings you to church this evening. Fighting love, fighting hate, or you fighting
my little minions. So converting to a mixed number to improper fractions is what the lesson is going to be about today. What is a mixed number? You asked. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction, and we're going to be changing it to an improper fraction. All right, so I got a set of mixed numbers. My fault. I got a set of mixed numbers right here, and we're going to be changing it. Hold on. I'm going to be changing each of these right here. Yeah. I'm going to be changing all of these right here. And you see the 72, 4 over 7. I'm going to be changing that. Put the equal sign right there. And it's just going to be right here. Because I don't have any space down here. So, basically we're going to be changing these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Improper fractions so we can be able to, maybe in any situation or any sort, there are going to be equations where you add, subtract, divide, and multiply mixed numbers. Turning it to an improper fraction, makes it easier to solve a certain equation that's maybe specific, you need this, etc. So basically, the topic is converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. All right, so we're going to be changing it to an improper fraction which numerator is equal to, larger than or equal to, or higher degree than the denominator. Which numerator is equal to, numerator, top number, larger than or equal, or higher degree than the denominator. How would you be able to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction? To convert the mixed number to an improper fraction, just multiply the denominator of the fraction part by the whole. So what you're basically going to do is, multiply the denominator, which is 3 in question 1 right here. You got 3 times 7, with 3 times 7, which is the whole number, and then you're going to add 1 of the fraction part by the whole number, and then use the result of as your numerator and place it over the denominator that you already have. This is the method for mixed numbers, and then you're going to add the 1. All right, so for these problems, I'm going to go step by step and explain my reasoning. So as you can see, there's 7 times 3, which is 21, and then you plus the 1 equals 22. So once you get 22, 22 is going to be your top number, and then you keep the denominator, which is going to be 3, and that is going to be your answer right there. Alright, now you got 7 times 4, or 4 times 7, etc., vice versa, either way. Alright, and then you got 4 times 7, which is 28, and then you plus the 1 equals 29, and then 29, and then you keep the denominator, which is 29 over 4. Now you got 16 times 2, 2 times 16, 2 times 16 equals 32, plus the 1 equals 33, 33, and then you keep the denominator, which is 33 over 2, and then you have 7 times 72 times 7. We're gonna 14. Hold on, right quick. 14. Yeah, 14, 7 equals 49. 50. We got 504 plus 8, the 4 equals 508. And then you got 7. We're going to go into harder questions right here. You got 88 over 1 over 8. 88 times 8. Times 8. And then you got 64. And then 8 times 8 is another 64. And then that should be 7, which is 704. 704 plus the 1 equals 705. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then you got 8 at the bottom, and then now you got 1,073. No, 107. 107. 3 over 6. 107 times 6. You got 7 times 6. Which is which is 42. And then you got 6 on there, 4, 6, which is 642. 642 plus 3 equals 630, 645. 645. And then you got 6 at the bottom right here, and then you got 1,076 over 6 over 7. Now you got 1,076 times 7, because it's the denominator again. You gotta keep going. 7 times 6 equals 42. 42, 7 times 7 equals 49, and then you get the 49. 49 flag, 49. Carried home on workers' clothing, exposed family members. 3, and then you get 53. 5, 7 times 0 is 5, and then one thing's for sure, Tony. Asbestos exposure is a cause of serious health issues that affect hundreds of 7532. Correct me if I'm wrong. 7532 plus the 6, which is 7538 over 7. Alright, 7538 over 7. Now you got 72 times 7, which is 14. 7 times 7 equals 49. Let's see, 504. I think I already did this problem. Yes, I did. That'll be 508 over 7. Over 7. Alright, now this is the whole equation right here. So basically all you're doing for this equation, let's say this is for everything and multiplication, etc. 7 times 3, 3 times 7, you got 21, and then you just add the 1, and then 22 will be at the top, 3 will be at the denominator. All right, now for this I have to explain why you might need it in the future. Why would this be important for, like I said in the beginning, in any situation or sort, there's going to be equations where you're going to need to be, adding, multiplying, subtracting, and you can't, improper fractions just makes it more easier to cross multiply than trying to multiply a fucking excuse my language, a whole number. So, it just helps in any way, etc. Any other questions, comments, or anything you guys have, just put it down in the comments, man. I need them comments. But anyways, other than that, please respectfully be safe, you know what I'm saying? Don't do anything stupid. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put in the comments. Let me know. Other than that, again, Dave says